right, I've taken you on a journey of all the syllable rules and how to map for them. And now let's play with some bigger multisyllabic words. So I have this word and I need to know how to map it. So we stop and look. We first see if there's anything that just jumps out at us as we kind of scroll our eyes through. Oh, I see a bossy R right there. That is or, depending. I'll do it or first, and then if not, we'll do the Okay, anything else? Not really. So let's just start underlining our vowels. There's a U and there is an A. Oh, there are 4 vowel sounds. How many syllables? 4. Na, 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 na. 4 syllables. So let's just start with our first bridge, and we're just going to take it one step at a time. So the L is a consonant sound. The C is a consonant sound. That is our simplest syllable division. What is this A? Is it open or closed? It's closed in by that L. I'll say ah. All right, I like to change colors at this point because I want each of my bridges to stand out to my learner. So now we're going to connect those 2 vowels and label the bridge. So there's an L. Ooh, when we only see one C on our bridge, it's a vowel, consonant, vowel. We do a dotted line before and see if it's a sound or word we know. So will that U be open or closed? How it is? Open. There's nothing blocking it. So it'll say you. All right, let's change colors again and do the last bridge. All right, we're going over here. The T is a consonant. Oh, we have to do a dotted line before. So what would that A be? Open or closed? And my little kids would be going to open. They love open because it's freedom. And that vowel will say its name. So it'll say A, and that'll say or Okay, let's read it and see if it's a word we know. Owl, cow, cue, calculate, 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 or tour, calculator, calculator, or calculator. Oh, we did it, calculator. So a lot of times if you see an or at the end, it'll say or. It's going to have one of 2 choices. I always tell my students to start it with the or first because that's kind of like it's pure us helping it. And if it's not sounding quite right, it's going to say So calculator or calculator. So we can make these solid because that's indeed where those syllable lines go. I will find myself doing this at a checkout line in a grocery store. I'll look at a magazine and then start mapping it in my head. I'm such a nut for this. I love it.